So how do we solder a module that is only 8 by 9 mm? Well, we will use ordinary soldering iron and a hot air gun. Let's begin with preparing solder pads for a few capacitors, a crystal, resistor, and antenna. Solder acts readily and doesn't stick to the pads, so let's add a bit of flux. Now, as you can see, solder does stick nicely and forms a round shape. Alright, we're done with these pads and we can carry on to the ESP8285 pads. Add a bit of solder on the tip of the soldering iron and move solder around the pads gently. Now we can place our first component. Use tweezers and a hot air gun for this process. The 10 microfarad capacitor is soldered. Now let's do the same for the 9 picofarads capacitor. Next comes crystal and one more 9 picofarads capacitor. Time has come to solder the 12K resistor and one last 100 nanofarad capacitor. In total, we will have 4 capacitors and 1 resistor. Hardest part arrived, the soldering of the antenna. Antenna footprint is different from your ordinary resistors and capacitors footprints, thus making it very hard to solder to the pads. For the ESP8285 part, we will add just a bit of more flux and smack it into place. Whoops, our antenna is running away. Better to keep an eye on it. As we're done, we can remove the board from the tweezers and start cleaning it from all the flux we used. We will use a car cleaner for that. Let the board soak for a few minutes in it. Take the board out and proceed cleaning it with cotton wipes and soft brush, removing any flux left. Yet again, our antenna has managed to escape from its place. Here it is. We have managed to solder ESP, capacitors, crystal, resistor, and antenna in its place. Also, we took care of any flux that was left on the board. Well, that's pretty much it. This approach does work, however, a stencil and a reflow oven would make things faster and more reliable. Thanks for watching and see you soon.